Back to the show with Big Boss Crypto, bringing a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Bitcoin has been going parabolic for the last couple of days, and we're currently stalling at the 30k area. Bitcoin pumped without any particular reason. Oil has been going up, which is a sign of a reversal coming in the markets, in the stock market and in the crypto market possibly. So, where do we go from next? Well, let's look at the charts. So if you've been following this channel and this day trading analysis, I've been telling you about the market make structure, which usually happens in a double top formation. First leg down, first retrace, second leg down, second retrace, and then third and final leg down, which usually ends in a double bottom formation. If we zoom in a bit on the possible double bottom formation, we had a drop to the downside right here, spike up to 27k, down again to 25k or 24.8k, and then a straight pump to the upside up to 30k. We created a lot of volume candles in this pump to the upside as well, so we need to see a retrace of some kind, recovering some of the volume candles, possibly down to 27k again, retest that, and then move away from there up to 33k possibly. That's something I'm looking at. Do not FOMO in. This is not financial advice, but do not FOMO in on a pump. Wait for a retrace, buy around the 27k area possibly, or even at 28k area, and then ride out to the upside if you aren't in any longs. So the targets could possibly be down to 27k up to 34k. We'll have a consolidation in that area, and then the final leg up to 40k possibly, if this is a sustained move to the upside, and then we'll have another situation where we drop to the downside again. That's the name of the game. We saw this in the last pump. We had a quick pump to the upside like this in March from the lows of 19k up all the way to 30. We had a three leg downwards move in the market make structure down to 25k, and now we're currently on our way up to 40k possibly in the next impulsive wave up if this is a sustained move. But we need to see a retrace recover some of the volume counts. We have a lot of open orders in that area as well. If we look at the liquidation map, we can see also that a lot of people are greedy. They're FOMOing into longs, thinking that it's going to go straight to 100k and they're going to make a huge profit. That's usually not the case. We'll have a retrace, and we could possibly take this zone here at 27k. We have a huge cluster at all the way down to 26.5k. As you can see, if I go to the left, you can see $1 billion possibly in the 27k zone of liquidation for the market make to grab. It's a 3k move, could happen in a day, so be aware of that. If we look at the news events for this week, we don't have much going on today. Tomorrow, on Wednesday, Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks. We'll see what he'll say, but if he says something crazy, that will shock the market. Otherwise, it will stay the same possibly. Other than that, quite a slow week. So let's take a look at Chainlink. So as you can see, Chainlink has done a pretty nice move, recovering the lows of $5. We had a huge drop to the downside, and as you can see from the structure, it's pretty clear that we performed a W bottom and moved away from here. So we could expect another retrace down to possibly $5.7 before we move out of there, or we could just consolidate above $6. And if we zoom out a bit on the daily time frame, we can see that we're in our zone again, our accumulation zone, since let's say 12th of May 2022. We've been trading from $6 up to $8.5, a couple of spikes above, a couple of spikes below. We spiked below this time again at $5. I loaded up in this zone at $5, really cheap for a great coin like Chainlink. Not financial advice, but I loaded up in that area, and I'm waiting to ride out up to $8.5 because we have a lot of volume candles in that area as well, and we've trading in this zone for a while, so that tends to be a sign that you could go long in this area, not financial advice, and ride it out up to $8.5, and that is where you start taking your profits and start building your shorts. That's something I'm looking at least, not financial advice, but that's just an idea for you. So look out for that and have a nice day. Big Boss out.